Hello friends, and welcome back to another video here in Clean 8-Bit. And if you're new, welcome as well. Today we are going to be unboxing the YOXINTA wireless charging station. Now if you search for a wireless charging station at Amazon, this one is going to be Amazon's choice. So let's find out together what comes in the box with this product and if it's worth buying. I've been on the market for an all-in-one wireless charging station since now I have an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and also a set of Airpods. So I set out to Amazon and typed wireless charging stations, and this one is what Amazon recommends as being the #1 seller. At the time of filming this video, this is selling for $23.99, and it comes in 4 different colors, which are black, green, pink, and white, which is the one in this video. Inside the box we get the user manual. We also get the charging brick, which feels to be made out of some cheap plastic, very brittle and light. We get a USB-A to USB-C cable. And inside this plastic bag, we get the wireless charging station itself. It has this little kickstand so that you can have your phone standing up or flat on the charging station. As you can see, it has 4 charging pads, 2 for your phone, 1 for your Apple Watch, and 1 for your Airpods. Once you plug it in, there's going to be a blue light that turns on to let you know that it's ready to charge. You can turn off this light by pressing that little button as well. And even though it has a magnet, I found it difficult to align my watch. It kept tilting to one side for some reason. Now I use a case which has some pockets so I can carry my credit card and then my ID. And with this case, the charger did not charge my phone. Now it's not the product's fault, as it is advertised that you cannot use this type of cases to charge. So at least they have it there. And that's a heads up in case you do have one of these cases. It's just not going to work. But once you remove the case, it charges right away. So if you do have a case that is thin enough to work with this kind of charging pads, then you should have no problem. By the way, I wouldn't recommend anybody to have their phone without a case. And I've really been loving this case that has a pocket for my ID and my credit card. And in case you're in the market for a new case, I do have a review for this one. So I'm going to put the link in the corner. In conclusion, do I think this charging station is worth it? Well, it does not work for me, especially because I don't want to be removing my case from my phone. And since it doesn't charge my phone with this case, then it's just not the product for me. A big call out is to make sure that you do have the wireless charging case for your AirPods, because I do not have one of those wireless charging cases for my AirPods. So therefore, I was not able to wirelessly charge them using this product. I have the one where it has the plug, where you have to plug in the cable to charge them. So this product did not work for me. I'm going to be returning this charging station. But if you do have one of those wireless charging cases for your AirPods, and you also have a thin enough case for your iPhone or one that works with wireless charging, then this will be a good buy for you. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful in your quest to finding the perfect charging station for your Apple products. If it did help you, please share it with me on the comments down below. And I hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget to clean 8-bit.